Are you ready for a delicious dessert tasting hummus? So today we're gonna make that brownie batter hummus. So I'm gonna start with some garbanzo beans that have been drained. I did save the liquid. This is called aquafaba. You'll hear that word a lot in vegan baking. It's used a lot as an egg replacer and to help cookies to puff up and stay together and taste delicious and chewy. So if you see the word aquafaba, just know it's essentially bean juice. I'm gonna keep a little bit on hand in case my blender needs a little extra liquid. Otherwise, this has been drained and I'm gonna put my 1 can in. I'm gonna put 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, some vanilla, a few cracks of salt. The recipe calls for any kind of nut butter. I'm just gonna do peanut butter because that's what I have on hand. Almond butter obviously is gonna give you a more mild flavor, cashew butter as well. I actually like the taste of peanut butter in brownie batter, so I'm sticking with my peanut butter. And then 1/3 cup of any kind of unsweetened plant-based milk. This is my organic unsweetened soy milk. And then you can use anything to sweeten it. Honey, agave, brown sugar, white sugar, coconut sugar. But obviously if you're going for whole food, you're gonna wanna use dates. So these are medjool dates that I pitted. And I wanted to show you, when you buy them, sometimes there's gonna be a little cap. So inside, you wanna get that off. And you wanna take out, the pit. So that's what I do when I first get these, is I take that little cap off and I take all the pits out and then put it in my freezer. And then I just soften them up in warm water if I need them to be soft in my cookie. Never put dates that have not been pitted. If they still have their pit in them, that's gonna break your blender. So don't do that. All right, got everything in there. Blend it on the... Alright, we're gonna give it a little stir. It's really thick. I'm gonna add a little bit of that aquafaba. It's like a 1/2 cup. Help it out a little bit. Now if you have like a Vitamix, one of those blenders that comes with the little pressy stick things, you can definitely use that and it will stay really, really thick. Taste it. Super sweet and delicious. If you want that gritty kind of taste that you get in brownie batter from the sugar, then you might want to put sugar in yours. If you're just happy with the sweetness and you want that extra boost of fiber, the dates are a really good way to go. It tastes just delicious. I'm gonna put some of my mini Enjoy Life dairy-free chocolate chips in here. I don't know, like 1/4 cup. I buy these from Vitacost. When they go on sale, I'll buy like 10 bags. They come in mini chips, the morsels, and chunks. And I buy all the varieties, and the chunks are usually the first one to go because we love to put them in cookies. Then I always have chocolate chips on hand. So as you'll see, we have this nice brownie batter consistency that we can dip bananas and apples and other fruits in for a really, really yummy treat and snack that actually is really good for you and is chock full of good fiber. So it's gonna keep you full and make your mouth happy too.